So we are going to learn today a new account, that is realization account. You know that in case of dissolution, we have to sell off all the assets and we have to pay off all the liabilities. And this task we have to do in a separate account, and the name of that account is realization account. We will prepare a separate account. The name of that account is realization account, in which we will first of all transfer all the assets. We have to transfer all the assets here, then we will sold them out. First of all, two three things we will not record, I am going to tell you later. First of all, we will record land and building. We are having land and building 1,20,000. Then machine we are having 40,000. Then stock 54,800. Then बचे debtors 40,000. And if there is any provision to any asset, it will be written on the opposite side. Provision for doubtful debts 1800. Okay, but we have written all the assets which can be sold off: land and building, machine, stock, debtors. Provision will be recorded in a opposite way, and we will not record certain items here. Especially cash will not be recorded here because we cannot sold the cash and bank balance. This cannot be sold. Cash, bank, then profit and loss. If there is debit balance of profit and loss in the balance sheet, it will not be transferred here. It will be written off in partners capital account. And one more thing, advertisement suspense. These four items will not be recorded in realization account. Rest all the assets you have to transfer here. All assets will be transferred here except cash, bank, profit and loss, advertisement suspense. And of course, the provision will be recorded in the opposite side. Is it clear to you? All assets you will record here, bache, except cash, bank, profit and loss, and advertisement suspense. And the provision will be recorded here. Now you have to record all the liabilities here. You will record by creditors. By creditors 20,000. You will not record certain items here also. Partners capital will not be recorded here. All the reserves, workman compensation, investment fluctuation, profit and loss, contingency reserve, other reserves, general reserve, reserve fund, no reserve will be transferred here. No profit and loss will be transferred here. It will be transferred in partners capital account. And partners loan will not be recorded here. Three things we will not record here: partners capital, partners loan, and their reserves. If any partner's wife's loan is given, then that is your outside liability, it will be recorded here. Only partner's loan, partner's capital, and reserve will not be recorded here. Got my point, bache? All the outside liabilities you have to transfer here except partner's capital, partner's loan, and reserve. If reserves are given in question, partner's loan is given, it will not be recorded here. And here you will not record cash, bank, profit and loss, advertisement suspense. Is it clear, bache? Transferring is done. Now we have to sold off all the assets and we have to pay off all the liabilities. Now again we make a cross. Earlier we make a cross. All the assets we have recorded in debit side and all the liabilities we have recorded in credit side except these items. Now when we will make a sale or payment, then we will also again we will do a cross connection. All the assets will be realized here, it will be sold here, and all liabilities will be paid off from here. One more cross will be there. So in the question it is given that partners decided to dissolve the firm on the above date. Assets realized as follows. Now assets are sold off, we will write by bank account. We are selling all the assets and they have sold stock for 45,000. They have sold stock for 45,000 and machine 20% less than the book value. The book value of the machine was 40,000 and it will be sold off 20% less, means 32,000. 20% of 40,000 will be 8,000 and 40 minus 8, 32,000. Then bache, they said that debtors realize 35,000. Debtors realize 35,000. Land and building sold 30,000 more than the book value. 30,000 more means 120 plus 30, 1,50,000. All the assets have been sold off, all the four assets, and we have received the total payment 2,62,000. Is it clear to everyone, bache? We have transferred all the assets here except these four items: cash, bank, profit and loss, advertisement, suspense. We have transferred all the assets here except these four, and one provision we have transferred here. Then we have transferred all the liabilities here, outside liability, except partners capital, reserve and partners loan. Then again, when this was the balance sheet, when we will do the adjustment, all assets will be sold off here. All assets will be sold off here. If any asset is not sold, leave it. Don't do it forcefully, then leave it. If not sold, leave it. If all the assets are sold, you will write here. And now you have to make payment through this side. Creditors has agreed to accept 5% less. We will write to bank account. All the payments will be made through bank. Now creditors have accepted 5% less, 20,000, 5% will be 1,000 and the remaining payment will be 19,000. Expenses on realization of assets amounting to rupees 1,200. Now we have make one more payment, that is 1,200. This we have paid. This we have received by the sale of assets, and this we have paid by the outside liabilities, by way of outside. Provision will not be paid. Provisions will never be paid. We just have to record them here and it will not be paid further. So now we have to calculate the answer. Do total of both the sides in rough. Now the total of this side 283800, and we had to deduct these all items, and here we will get some profit on realization. Profit on realization 8800, and this will be divided among all partners in old ratio. A's capital and B's capital 3:2 means 52803520. Any doubt, bache? What we have done, we have transferred all the assets from the balance sheet except four items, and provision we have written opposite side. We have transferred all the liabilities to realizations credit side except partners capital, loan and reserve. Then we have sold all the assets here. We have to note it down. Then we have to pay all the liabilities. One thing you have to note down: if any asset is not sold off, leave it. But if any liability is not paid off, you have to make the payment. That is compulsory. In question, they will deliberately leave any liability. They will not inform you that this liability is paid off, but you have to make the payment of this liability. And if there is some other expenses, other liability you have paid, you have to write it here. Then after doing the total and balancing, figure will be the profit. This is how we prepare realization account. After this realization account, we will make partners capital account. Separate capital accounts of both the partners will be make, and then finally we are going to make a bank account. At the end we will make a bank account. Because no balance sheet will be there, because we have sold all the assets and liabilities, now we will make partners capital account, and at the end we will make bank account, in which we record all the receipts and all the payments. Total should be equal. In other chapters we have made balance sheet at the end, but now we have sold all the assets and paid off all the liabilities. No balance sheet will be prepared. So first of all we will record balance BD. You know, we have not recorded the capital there, so this is the place where we will record the capitals of the partners, 150 and 90,000. There was no reserve, no things to be written off. So only one thing was there, that was profit on realization account, 52803520. This is 1,55,289,3520. So nothing we have to deduct. This will be your final payment. Beta, in this chapter, no balance CD will be there because we have to finish the business. So in partners capital account, the closing balance will be to bank account, not the balance CD. There is no balance CD in this chapter. Whatever you have, their capital and profit, you have to make the payment. Now finally we are going to make bank account in which we will record all the receipts and payment. Payment, regarding payment we have given to partners by A's capital, we have make the payment by B's capital. We paid this much. So you remember we have not recorded the opening cash at bank. It will be recorded here. Balance brought down 7,000. Now we have made payment to partners and 2 times bank is used here. 262 we have received and 20 and 200 we have paid. 2 times we have the transaction of bank. Assets we have sold, so this is a receipt, 2,62,000. The total will become 269. Here we have make payment to realization liabilities of rupees 2,200. Total should be equal. At the end you have to make a bank account. In place of balance sheet you will make bank account because balance sheet we have sold all the assets and paid off all the liabilities.